We're recording. Okay. Not necessarily in order, but looking at the CMF here, we have a downtick from yesterday's action. Okay,
Yep.
so long-term out for this session on the equities, again on the downside. The MFI is down again. Okay, and CO is down. So the Dow is down, down, down. All three.
Yep. Got that.
Okay, good. A little different here on the cash. But again, long-term with the downtick, so that's good. Negative divergence. Down on chicken oscillator. And the MFI in this case is net neutral. Slightly up,
Yep.
but I'm not considering net neutral. I think I'm looking at a 1 degree slant to the upside. For all intents and purposes, net neutral. Excuse me. ES Daily. We are in the process of price chart pattern wise looking to get a pivot point high established here. I like the 2 down days. I think we'll have a down day today. It's the way it's going.
Yep. Okay.
Okay. Here's the new low right there. Open low, and then we got something here. But the good news is that, you know, at this point, even getting through here, now again, ES, right?
Yeah, there's a big run once you get through that. I saw that.
Yeah, okay, good. And the volume's light, so there's nothing holding up the market right now. Overnight session was real spotty on YM. ES was a little more uniformed, you know, on a 1 minute chart, stuff like that. But overall, it's thinned out from what I was looking at.
Yeah, it basically did nothing yesterday, the whole day. I mean, it didn't hit either one. It never went back to either one of the buy or sell triggers. It just, and it was very, very little volume the whole day.
CO is down on ES 621. Remember we talked about this where we're tapped out of 38.2, right?
Yep.
On ES. I don't think that's a coincidence. SMI is rolling. Here we are again. See CMF here on ES down for the session there.
Yep.
And the only thing that's holding up what I can see on ES right now is the MFI. I got a initial trend line violation here for the early warning, right? And then I got a second one from these 2 peaks. So here's 1, here's 2. I'm through this level here. I'm through here. And I got a free and clear up to about this val here, which is good. But it's the only strength I'm seeing right now. That's it, really. And it's not much. Because when you look at YM on a daily basis, you know, things are a little different here.
Yeah, YM definitely looked more down than the rest of them.
Mm. Comparable to what we just saw on the Dow equities, right?
Yeah.
Right. Okay, so there's CO, not necessarily in order. Again, here's 3 war pattern in play. We're already through yesterday's close here. We got this, and once we get through this, you know, we have the same open space again.
926. Let me pull that one up. Okay. Yep. Okay. That's where I'm at too.
Yeah. 3 consecutive down ticks on MFI after the primary and secondary negative divergences that are now set, right? Here to here, here to there. Okay. Yeah. I don't have to draw it in. You know it's there.
Yeah, I got mine drawn in already.
From here to here. Okay. I wanted you to be able to see how the vowels actually trickle down here. Here's an inside fold, right?
Yep.
There's another inside fold right there. There's an outside fold. Blown up, you can see them very clearly.
Yeah,
right?
I can see them.
Okay, good. Want to pay attention to those. Sometimes it's a match for something like this here, right? Which is, you know, basically where you're at.
Right. Okay.
Yeah. So quick and dirty. There it is there. And there it is there. You should have these levels on your indicator itself. And then go to here and then go to there. So basically, once you're through here, since the most recent price action takes precedence for the turnaround to find your way back home, right? Same thing on the
Yeah.
indicators, although the indicators will peak and through out first, and then the prices should follow through, right? Right. Sometimes you get it
Yeah.
right on the money, sometimes it's before, but again, like you were taught, always remember that the MFI, in the majority of cases, should lead because it's short-term 14-period look back, but the 21 and CMF could get handed off and vice versa, depending on market conditions and how they're doing what they're doing. So at these levels, interior levels, you definitely want to pay attention to. Here's your break. Here you are here. Here you are here. And again, you want to go there and then there.
Yeah. Okay.
Basically, you're cornering the market, and a lot of times you might have to carry this all the way down. You might get into the apex and then trickle out here, but you got through here because of this through. Right? So
Right.
patterns exist within the indicators themselves. If you did the fanning effect, here's your POR, here's your connect point, here's your early warning for your violation. Don't forget to take a look at this, right? There
Yep.
you are, right? So forth and so on. And you get it before the indicator leads through the floor and the prices come afterwards. Okay,
Yeah. Cool.
yeah. What else? SMI's rolling on this too. CO's down again. Yeah, wait there. Okay, so real time. So my bias is short level 6 to the downside. I'm looking to get to short level 7 in real time today if I get through that floor that we were just looking at
Yep.
for the open space. You copy that logic?
Yep.
Okay, good. All right. I took this long trade here just as an exercise and not my experimental account.
Okay.
Yeah, it only produced 200 bucks I got in here, and I just wanted to see if I was right because I was looking at something a little different today and seeing if I was right or wrong, and it worked out. And I actually recorded it. Uh, so we're trading up into program on the down, but the turnaround looked real strong. We had a very strong positive divergence on the 1 minute fit, fives, and then 15s finally became clear for a while, and it was a no risk trade, but it worked out, luckily enough. First short is here, right here,
Just
-2.
below the lows.
Yeah. Okay, and this is the previous session's low of the down close, right? Of the down close.
Yep.
And this high of the tweezer bar has an incredible range of maybe 70, 80 ticks, right? Or
Yep.
more. So there's a lot of open space here,
Yep.
a lot of open space, but we got to get this taken out. And then we got a hard target from the open of the up close, which is, where things should stop, logically speaking, because it's not an open of a down close, right? So it's 33236, what I'm looking at. And then I'm going to go short below there. And I'm looking for the 50 at 33196. That's drawn from the daily chart, as you probably have it in. And then I'm down to the low of the up close from 4.5. And so because the spread is fairly wide, let me know where I'm putting my 50 right here. Remember, 50 plus 2 on the up. So it's 33196 minus 33236. And then,
Yeah. So it's 20 below plus 2, right? So 33218.
okay, it's not 1.7.
2 above.
Okay,
40, 36 to 96 is 40.
copy that.
Half of that's 20. Yep.
Okay, we'll leave it at 2.8.
All right. So 23,
Minus 2.
236.
33216. Now again, if it helps you out, right, throw one of these on top. I think you were liking that plus 2 or 1
Yeah.
to get out. You can see it better maybe when it prices it here.
Yeah.
I don't like that because I'm looking for the blow off to the downside sometimes where I'm actually going to hit or punch through this for the shakeout. Copy me?
Yeah.
So it
Yeah.
distracts my attention, but Everybody has a preference. If that's yours,
No,
go
I
for it.
prefer not to have it as well, right? So,
Right. Okay, on the long side, we have a major POC. I think it's from 817, if I'm correct. Yeah, 817. So that's this bar. And I would
yep.
imagine most of it came in on the first third of the bar, or first half. It's a lot of volume for the overnights over 3. But once you're through this, then maybe we got a long here. So it's 304 plus 2, 306, and then we got a hard target here. I might want to consider taking that off just a little bit early because of the consolidation here. And the average of the
Hmm.
prices should be somewhere around this juncture, which would be this bar's open. So I'd kind of rather take it off there on a rally or pay strict attention to that level. Not as if we don't, right? But I might be
Yep.
inclined to look for a flash fill on a short coming in to hold this level.
All right. Okay.
And then again, above here, we got nothing. It's nothing. So we got
Yep.
a free and clear from here all the way up to session open, and we're good to go. Okay, I think we got it. Excuse me. Wow, look at that.
Yep.
Look at ES 3000 with the velocity from 1 to 3. Wow, got some serious orders coming in there. Super fast. Readjust the new ceiling on the GOM. That number should be drawn from, come on, 927, 11 seconds. Standard above the market is 33,300, 23 on limit order. Watch that get taken out. Oh, it's below. Fives are clear to go long, 15s are clear to go long. There you go. And you're in. If you're in and you're looking
Yep.
how to get through that POC, okay, good. Good, good, good. Take me out, yeah. Okay, good. Comes through the ceiling on a quick turnaround. Target hit 33316. Fifteens mixed up and down. Now back up. Still clear. Notice how on ES 4315 came in, right? On the up.
Hmm.
Now it's 45, 46. And that's done. Right.
Yep.
Now get me to the session open. Let's go. Right, right. Come on, come on. Thank you very much. Okay. Good, good, good. I'm already out.
Yep.
I see it as a gift because the bias was so negative this morning.
Yeah.
Get something else out of this. Come through the ceiling. Additional confirmation. 15s, 5s full up. Good. Come on. That's it. That's it. I might take it at that 50 right there. Yeah, I'm gonna take that. Done. I'm out. Saw the GOM start to roll. No serious
Yep.
additional accumulation coming in. Probably will get to the session high, but I mean, I don't want the flash fill to come in and drive a stake through my trade.
Yeah.
Negative divergence now erase itself on the GOM. Would be a 50 more or less here. Yeah, it's going to be it, I think. GOM's way down now. Way down to its internal floor. Drawn from 933 and some change. So blow off complete. It's rolled. A lot of guys might consider being short off of the session high, right? After this bar closes.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm not into doing that because of the POCs on the way up and the strong volume that came in the first 5 minutes of trading. I wouldn't touch it. No,
Yep. Okay.
I'm not into that. Besides, I don't even have the fives. I don't even have a negative divergence on the 1 minute VTC VMA. Copy that. Have no
Yep.
major dark numbers on GOM. Don't get sucked into that, is
Yeah.
my opinion. If anything's going to happen, maybe more positive comes in, but you're pretty well off the ceiling on the GOM right now.
Yeah.
VTC VMA is maxed out, although it's upticking again. So this is a higher risk trade just to get to the 50, right?
Right.
Right. And definitely if prices move up, you got the 50 plus, then you got the open of the down close. That's a down close of 4.5, right
Yeah.
below the previous session's open of the down close. So then you got superior upside resistance, titanium stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah. Aren't these sessions nothing short of incredible, right? Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah. Glad you signed on for them because it would have taken you months to connect all the dots. Negative divergence on the 5-second fit that you're looking at left-hand side of my screen. Copy that. Negative
Yep.
divergence on the GOM. It might erase itself. You could throw a down-sloping trend line from the peak down to the most recent connect point. Maybe
Yep.
it
I can
will.
see that.
It's in process right now, yeah. So that's the early heads up for the possible follow through, but without any serious dark numbers with the accumulation behind them, like you got some accumulation coming just in the last bar,
Yep.
serious numbers, the hold time is going to be longer and more risky at the third leg. Copy me?
Right.
Right.
Yep. I get what you're saying.
Exactly. Good. Good. The first leg good, second leg good, third leg It's always, not always, but definitely longer hold time. The market's opened up in your favor, right? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I can hold, I'll take the trade for 10, 12 minutes, but we're going in
Yeah,
the other
that's all.
direction. Go ahead.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah, price not trading up. Definitely the open and down close is maybe a
Yeah,
50 in
it looks
between
like
here.
it's heading up there, and the GOM looks like it's got a ceiling in.
Right?
This might be the last of it.
Possibly. It's still up. Volume dark number on the GOM. Fair to middling. Let's see. Yeah. This is Jeff Killian for the VTC, VTCtraders.com. The time is now 9:39 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on 4/7/2021. The demonstration today was for a live trading room scenario within one of my advanced clients. Has a lot of experience trading and decided to come on board to study with me personally in a real-time environment after going through the advanced studies portion of the executive mentorship program to see how we actually put all the pieces of the puzzle together in real time in order to take advantage of what our clients are taught at this level of education. We called everything along the way, commented on every move to the upside, and all the levels were laid out in advance for price profit targets that were hit in play on 2 and 3rd long today for 3 separate legs that got to, again, as high as a 50% between the open of the down close on 4/5 and the session high, where prices have tapped out right now. So in conclusion, this is what an institutional trader actually looks at and does, but from a sophisticated retail trader's standpoint, who's become a highly trained professional in order to get in here every single day and not just get in here, but stay in the business every single day. It's not the winning trades that are the most important thing in trading as a professional. The key to longevity in trading as a professional is actually risk mitigation. So today we're very fortunate to be on the right side of the trading on a market turnaround to the upside. But not only that, we have to focus on how to identify with trades that may not follow through, shakeouts, that the institutional buyers and sellers, the people who actually control prices from one level to another and manipulate the market, will make happen to take the uninformed retail trader's money from him or her and then move the market in the other direction. I think that's enough. That covers everything for today. The time is now 9:41 a.m. on 4/7/2021. We look forward to any inquiries any professional may have in order to work with us here at the VTC across the globe. Be careful out there today. This is Jeff Killian for the VTC, signing off.